Hi, today we will be showing you how to conduct an analysis of variance using SPSS, aka ANOVA. To make this tutorial a bit more interesting, we are going to look at how alcohol affects the likelihood of approaching a romantic partner. Let's take a look. So we have 3 groups of 40 persons in each group. The first group will be told that they are being given alcohol and are in fact served alcohol throughout the experiment. The second group is told that they are receiving alcohol but are actually given a juice throughout the experiment. The third group, the control, is given juice and are told that it is a non-alcoholic beverage, aka they're drinking water.
Each group will be placed in a room of confederates and told to socialize. Participants are then observed throughout the night, and the number of times they approach an individual romantically is recorded. Ooh. What we expect to find is that persons in groups 1 and 2 will have similar scores, as both groups have expectations about the effects of alcohol. Because of these expectations, persons in groups 1 and 2 will be more confident and as a result are more likely to approach a romantic partner. In contrast, group 3 will make fewer
2 variables. The independent variable is the group placement, and the dependent variable is the number of times a romantic partner is approached. To determine the difference among the 3 groups, we will need an between subject analysis. For this purpose of the tutorial, we will be using an analysis of variance, ANOVA. ANOVA is used to compare the scores of 2 or more groups. Let's begin. Open your data file. As you can see, we have 2 columns in our data set. The first column indicates the group placement of participants. The second column indicates the number of times a romantic partner was approached. To do the ANOVA, select Analyze, then General Linear Model, and then Univariate. In the dialog box that pops up, select and place number in the dependent box by clicking the blue arrow. And then select and place the variable group in the fixed factors box. Then click Paste. This will automatically create a new syntax file for this analysis. We also want to compare the means of the 3 groups. To determine exactly how the 3 groups differ, return to the data file, select Analyze, then Compare Means, and then Means. In the dialog box, select and place the variable numbers in the dependent list box, and group in the independent list box. Click Paste. This will also add the new analysis on the same syntax as the ANOVA. To analyze the results, open the syntax file, select Run, and then All. This will automatically open up an output file with the analysis results.
The first table labeled Between Subjects Factors gives information on the number of persons in each group. The second table, Test of Between Subjects Effects, provides information on the significance of the results. For the corrected model, we need to look at the F value and the sig value. As we can see, we have an F value of 203.804 and a sig value of 0.000. This information indicates that there is a statistically significant difference among the 3 groups, as the alpha level is less than 0.05. Now that we have determined that there is a significant difference among the groups, we need to determine how exactly they differ. To do this, we will look at the means output. The first table labeled Case Processing Summary provides information on the total number of cases analyzed and the number excluded from the analysis. For this analysis, all cases were analyzed. The second table labeled Report provides information on the average score for each group. As expected, the means of participants in groups 1 and 2 are quite similar. Likewise, the mean of group 3 is much lower than that of the other 2 groups. So there you have it. As predicted, the expectation of alcohol consumption, even when alcohol is not consumed, does affect one's behavior.
And remember, always drink responsibly.